This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the filter behind the glove box and gathering tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a vacuum, and your replacement OEM or equivalent filter. First, remove any items from the glove box, then release the dampener arm and squeeze the glove box sides to drop it down. Once done, detach the glove box stops and lower the box enough to reveal the filter housing. This gives direct access and prevents damage to clips, so take controlled, steady movements rather than forcing parts. Next, open the cabin filter housing by unclipping its tabs or removing small screws. You want clear visibility of the filter slot. Pull the old filter straight out to avoid scattering dust into the HVAC system and inspect for moisture, mold, or excessive debris, which indicates other issues. Vacuum the cavity and wipe the seal area so the new filter seats firmly. Make sure to orient the replacement using the airflow arrow. Correct direction ensures proper filtration and prevents blower strain. Finally, insert the new filter with the printed airflow arrow pointing toward the blower motor, and press the housing cover closed until tabs click or screws are snug. Lift the glove box back into place, re-engage the stops, and reconnect the dampener arm so the box operates normally. Once reassembled, run the fan on multiple speeds to verify steady airflow. If you hear unusual noise or see reduced flow, make sure the filter is seated correctly and the housing seals are intact. Misalignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.